Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So you guys, today is an exciting day for me because I get to get my hair done. Y'all probably wondering like, how is that exciting? It's because I always feel myself when I get my hair done because I'm tired of this mess right here, okay? So I'm going to head to get my hair done. It is actually almost going on 10 and I'm waiting for my stylist, my friend Keithan, to reply back to me so I can be on my way to him. You guys subscribe to his channel. His channel is going to be in the link below, but I want you guys to stay tuned and I might just do the busted challenge. So make sure you guys add me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok because I will do the busted challenge as soon as I get my hair done. But with that being said, we're going to head out. I'm about to get some breakfast, grab some Starbucks, take my dog out, and then head to his house so I can get my hair done. Comment below what y'all think I'm getting. And also, don't forget to comment below what should I get next. And also, check out the makeup. So cute, so flawless, so ooh. Okay, so stay tuned, you guys. So I finally made it here and my friend, he was asleep, so I went to breakfast to go get some. But like I said in the intro earlier, make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel. So we gonna slay today, okay, period. So you guys stay tuned for the look. It's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna take some pictures and videos, and then you guys can see the progress first because y'all are watching my video, right? So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that bell. And also make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see these looks that I'm coming with, because this year is my grown sexy year. So I'm gonna be getting dressed and looking fly.
That's on her.
That's on period. Okay. Also, I just got my hair braided down, and y'all go check out my TikTok because I'm doing a busted hair challenge too, and I'm gonna do an outfit one too. So he just braided down and we gotta get into it.
That's so crazy because we had a good YouTube video last time, y'all. Like
yes,
a good
we had
video.
a good one. But it's okay because this one's gonna be even better. So basically he's just cutting the cap and putting
your
it
ear can be out
between my ears so he can lay that wig down. Yeah, I'm super excited for this look. And he really been spinning me, y'all. Every time I reach out, I be like, you busy? He be like, no, but I don't ever see his message. I think my storage on my phone is like low because
or you must got me muted or something.
No, baby, no. Look,
I swear, y'all, she be texting me every time like, I get my hair done.
No, look, no mute, no mute.
Okay. Hold it down.
Look, I got you on the kiki.
Okay, kiki.
But wait, hold what down?
Like, I don't know how people do it because I don't know.
I might be old school or something.
But no, like, y'all, she be texting me like, she will text me like 3 times this week. I need my hair done. I swear I text her back every time. And she never texts back. I'm like,
no, but lately.
How do you need your hair done?
Literally, no, but lately, like, it's like when I text, like I just text my boyfriend. When I text Nyear, I told him like, good morning, I'm about to go get my hair done. I love you. And he said, I love you more, be safe.
Right.
But like I didn't get his message. I didn't get alerted. But when I only get alerted when I go to my messages. Like say I text you and you text back and then I exit out the app. It don't give me a notification like when you text back. I gotta go to my message.
Go to your settings. Go to your settings and go to like messages or go to
like send alerts or something.
Send. Yeah, so right now I'm laying this cap down. So you know we can protect these edges.
Yes, yeah, because I need all my edges.
Her.
I need them all, okay? So, as y'all see, no, this is not no bangs, okay? It's not the bang. It's just, he's about to start on the baby hairs. But what you gonna do next? You gonna...
probably like part it and style.
Okay, so yeah, part it, style it, and then you gonna lay the thing, right? Yeah, see, girl, get the process. You feel me? So yes, he going to start it, and we're going to see how it turns out. So here is my hair, not combed out yet, but this is 9 out of 10 done. So he's gonna comb it out. It's gonna be so freaking cute. I can't wait. It's really, really cute, y'all. It fits me. Like, I look grown. Oh,
it fits her so much, y'all. Like,
so freaking cute. Oh, baby, say that. Wait. The neighbors hear me?
no, girl, you good.
Yes.
So they don't have to come
Grown baby. Ooh. Experience. Okay. We looking good over here. Yes. Okay, because what lace?
Yeah,
this is mine. Okay? This is mine. Keithan did it.
Yeah, bitch.
You heard it. You heard it. So cute, y'all. It just looks good with my little round face. Like, it's just, ooh, with the flip. The flip, okay. Bust it. Bust it.
Hey,
bust
that's what we're gonna do tonight. Bust it.
Bust it. Bust it on camera and bust it wide open for my man.
Y'all heard it.
He'll be like, baby.
Oh, yes, this is giving.
This is giving. It's giving a whole look. It's a whole new category. Yeah. It's the hair for me. Oh,
brand bitch. Is this yours?
This is a brand. How does song go?
Bussin'.
Bussin'. Wait. This that
Wait,
new.
I feel like a whole brand new bitch.
Bussin'. I'm bussin'. I was like, what's that song? I know it's a song. Y'all, look at that up close, though.
Do y'all see it?
The up close. It's the scalp for me. It's the natural for me. Okay. All right, you guys. So if y'all want to see my busted challenge, make sure y'all head over to my TikTok at ITSSJ.
Oh yeah, you got. Let's show them the natural lighting on.
All right, y'all. So we gonna show y'all the natural light on the balcony before this time run now. So here's the natural lighting on the balcony with the sun and the natural, you know. You see, y'all see it. Don't act like you don't.
Yeah, y'all see it up close and
y'all
personal.
see it up close, personal period.
Don't play with her.
Alright, you guys, so I'm about to end up this video once I get home. So I just got back home. I am going to just end the video off right here. If you guys liked it, let me know what y'all think about the hair. And also, y'all, I have to just show y'all because I came home to get my hair done and look what my best friend, she left these in front of my door. She is so sweet. I love her. And Leslie, I know you're watching this. I love you so much. Thanks, babe, for just being a good friend, you know. But anyways, y'all, so I'm about to eat because I have to head back out because I'm like literally running a little bit behind my schedule because I plan my days out and just so I could get more stuff done. So I'm about to eat. I have some bean soup right here. I have some tacos. And I have a horchata. You guys, Texas has the best taco trucks. So I'm about to dig in and I'm about to head right back out. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure if you did, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that bell so you guys get notified every time I upload. I'm dropping and I'm being consistent all February for the rest of 2021, period. Now I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.